it is right. Okay, select lathe. Okay, control type, then select phonic O turning. Okay, so this is just you can see that this is a job. Now we need to set the job size. Machine setting. Here we can set the ballot settings. Okay, so in this ballot setting, as we can see that the maximum you have a X52, Z is 101, and the size length is 101, because actually we required 100, so that's why it is now at present it is length is 101. Next we can have 52. Okay, okay. Now here we can have this maximum x-axis 52 and maximum z is okay. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we can write the program. Okay, so this is the program that we are going to type now. Initially we can start from the line number. Can start 10, G00, G90, F100,
M08.
Okay, after completion of writing of this program, okay, so we have written the complete program as per what we have discussed on the board. Same thing we have to write here, and then we can just click on start cycle. Okay, okay, so this is end of the program. If you want to restart, what we can do is we can make a reset, and then you have to make a new ballot, and then you can start once again. Okay, end of the program.